Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Partners in Cream Project Pan update, so if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Before we get into that though, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me. Alright you guys, so hi, I'm back. I took an unexpected hiatus from YouTube. It's been like 3 weeks since I last filmed and like 2 weeks since my last upload. That wasn't intentional, just been really anxious lately, and sometimes it's just really draining when your job requires you to like be staring at a screen for 8 to 9 hours a day, and then when you're done working you don't want to stare at a screen for like an hour and a half editing. So yeah, I just took a little bit of an impromptu break, so nothing really major happened, just anxiety and just tired of looking at screens, but I'm back. I'm filming this on the 9th. I don't know that I'm gonna actually be able to edit it in time for Friday the 10th, but it'll probably go up on Saturday, the day you're watching it. So yeah, I'm really excited. Just a little bit of housekeeping on my other video. So I missed my August haul, my Project Pan update, and my Pen Those Shadows updates. I'm just gonna move. I actually had my Project Pan update filmed, but I'm not gonna update it now just because it's like 2 weeks behind. So the updates for Project Pan and Pen Those Shadows will just happen next month, and then the August haul I will have up shortly. So let's hop into the updates for Partners in Cream. Before we get into that though, before I forget, this was created by Steph and Dallin. I will link their channels down below as well as everything you need to know about this project. So now let's hop into it. Alright, so first off, we've got my Flexitarian highlight, and I used this 12 times. And so I feel like I used it a decent bit, and I don't know that the pan has grown, but I do think I've been thinning out the product around the edge quite a bit more, because instead of focusing on the edge down here, I've been swirling my brush more. So that was just me trying to make the product a little bit thinner. So I do think I made some decent progress. It's just not like visually apparent. So really happy about that. Again, I'm not sure if I'm going to end up finishing this item in 2021, but I think we will be pretty close to it. Next up, we have my Third Eye lipstick. I'm not going to even show progress lines because I only used this 3 times. I've just been wearing gloss a lot lately. I think in the fall time I'm going to start wearing my lipsticks a lot more. Yeah, I have not been reaching for my lipsticks. So, I don't really have much to say about that other than I need to use it more. I feel like I say that every month. I still think, let me pick it up again. I still think I can finish it this year. There's really not a lot left. It's not the creamiest lipstick, so I do feel like that's why it's not done yet. But I am confident that this will be done eventually. At some point this year. We still have a few months left. Next up, we've got my Tower 28 blush in the shade Magic Hour. It's a beautiful everyday blush for me. As you can see, I've got quite a dent there, and my goal with this was to either hit pan or kind of keep it in for 3 or 4 months. And since this is the quarterly refresh, I thought now was a good time to roll it out. So I only used it 4 more times in the last month. Again, I don't think I mentioned it in this video, but my makeup usage has gone down a little bit. I just haven't been wearing it as much. I've been favoring laying in bed a little bit longer than getting up before work and doing my makeup. So I haven't been doing it, and when I have, it's been like powder foundation, one and done eyeshadow and mascara, and like that's it. So I haven't been prioritizing this, and so, oops. So I just feel like it's a good time to roll this out and roll something new in. So yeah, happy about the progress I made in this. I do think I would like to hit pan on this at some point in the next year. And next up, we've got my Super Shock Shadow, and I'm currently working on Mycelium from the Raw Beauty Kristi collaboration. I don't think it looks that much different from the last month. I only used this twice in the last month, just as like a topper to matte shadows. So not a ton of progress, but I do think if I use it about 3 to 4 more times, I'll probably hit pan on this, so I'm not really worried about that one. Next up, we have my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is a mini, and I think all along I've been marking it wrong because that is where I'm at now. I know there's a little bit of product on the sides, but when I let it settle, that's where I was. So I think I might have just marked these ones wrong, because I only used it 6 times. I like this. I don't love it. I'm just trying to get out of my collection. I feel like there's definitely not a ton left in here. And I've also decided, even though it's a pretty thick stopper, I am not planning on taking the stopper out. I hate taking the stopper out of things. I just don't like to spend the time on it. So yeah, I am happy with the progress I made. I would like to use it a little bit more, but I am balancing it with, it's over here. This I'm almost done with. This is my Ilia Liquid Light Serum Highlight. I kind of use these in the same way, so they're kind of competing right now, but that one is almost done, and I have been prioritizing that one. So I think once that's finished, I will be able to get more progress on this one. And finally, we have another gloss empty. Speaking of stoppers that I'm not taking out, I tried to take the stopper out of this Fenty Gloss Bomb, but I decided I didn't want to. I tried for like a few minutes and I couldn't do it, so I just said no. So it definitely looks like I still have a bunch of progress on there, but really nothing comes off of the wand anymore. So I'm calling this quits. As you can see, I started there, then we were there, and now we're basically done. There's product left in it, but I'm not worried about scraping it out. I used this about 15 days since the last time I updated you guys. That's how I track my usages for the most part. Just because I don't want to keep track of every time I reapply this, because I could reapply this 5 times in one day. Maybe I only wear it once in one day. I don't know. So it's just easier to track it by days rather than actual applications. So yeah, I really love this lip gloss. I actually have the cream version that I have in the shade Fenty Glow. So I'm not going to repurchase this one, but I do really like the formula. I think it's worth it. It's a really, really nice gloss, and I could see myself potentially, if they come out with the mini Gloss Bomb set this year for the holidays, I could potentially see myself buying it when it goes on sale, because from prior knowledge, those sets usually are still around and go on sale after the holidays. So I could see myself doing that, and yeah, I'm really happy to have this gloss done. And so that means we are rolling in 2 new items, one for the lip gloss and one for the blush. So for the lip gloss, I am rolling in a mini. This is the Nudestix Lip Glace. I don't like that name, Lip Glace. It's in the shade Nude 04. It's really just kind of like a mauvey lip gloss. It's on the opaque side. I've worn this once and it is a little bit tingly, but it's pretty much full. I got this in an Ulta gift with purchase. We're like right there. I will mark it. Let me just do that right now. Basically at the eye. So my goal is going to be to finish this. I think I could probably get it done in a few months. So I just think it'll be harder for me to pair this with looks, but it's a mini. I definitely can get this done by the end of the year. And then I wasn't sure what to replace my blush with, and I decided to go with this. This is the Tarte C Hydro Flex Serum Foundation in the shade 14N Fairlight Neutral. This was a gift with purchase from Sephora. You know how you can redeem a code and you get a free sample of kind of like a newer product usually. I have no idea how much is left in this. Like, it's not like a bendable bottle, and I'm holding it up to the light and it's completely opaque, so I have no idea how much is left in this. Probably not a lot. It's not really moving at all, but I imagine there's some stuff left in here. It does, when it's a sheer item, so it does work for me, although I would probably go with a lighter shade if I was actually buying it. I'm panning a foundation in my Decca Panning, however, that's a more full coverage foundation. This is a lighter coverage one, and also that is my Lip Bar foundation that has a brush in it, so if I don't feel like cleaning the brush, I'm not using it. So this will be a good alternative to reach for when my brush is dirty on that foundation. And I can't use the other foundation. If you watch my other videos, you know what I'm talking about. I can't use this brush, or like I can't just remove the brush and pump out product. Like the brush, you need to have it on in order to pump out product, so I can't use it like that. So that'll be good to use when I don't feel like cleaning this. And with that all being said, that is my Partners in Cream update for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know how your progress has gone in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!